So Jim, you played this in Las Vegas at the conference and expo. You played in the Challenge Championship. Again, it's pretty cool that they have a contest like this to draw attention to the National Electrical Code and talk a little bit more about that, having fun with something that's so important and helping to save people's lives and keep people safe.
Well, it's one of those things in our industry, you kind of get bogged down in details and in technical details. And having the opportunity to participate in something like this, where it is fun, it is a competition, a chance to go up against other people in the industry. And, there's a little competitive spirit in all of us. And it just makes it a good way to keep current on the code and to learn some things you may not have known before.
Why is it so important for you particularly and your people in Sonoma County to stay current with all the changes and the updates to the National Electrical Code in the water wastewater industry, and again, in Sonoma County?
Well, our industry is vital infrastructure. We want to make sure that everything we build and maintain is reliable. We want to make sure that it's safe for the folks that are working on it and around it, and just so we can continue to deliver reliably the water and treat the wastewater that we're responsible for.
And Jim, when you have conversations with people either in your industry or out of your industry about the importance of electrical safety and the importance of the National Electrical Code, I mean, again, I imagine I'm preaching to the choir with this question, but what are the things you guys talk about and reinforce the importance of the code? And again, cross-industry.
Just to make sure primarily that we're protecting the people. And I know the code is primarily for fire prevention, protection of the equipment, providing reliable service, but it also makes sure that the people who work on or around the equipment are safe. If you have a well-built, well-maintained piece of equipment, the chance of somebody working on it getting injured is very small. And we want to make sure that everybody goes home at night.